Okay, back to the hives today. If you remember last video, this hive here was the one that was really low on sugar. It was 8 pounds of sugar that was in there that I put in there for a fall in that insurance board. So I was kind of worried to see, really how much food storage you have in there. Did they go through all of their honey and then work their way up to the sugar? So I'm going to get in there today and see what's going on, see if they need some food. This weekend I'm going to be up in Ohio. There's a convention up there going on. We're going to have Michael Palmer there speaking. So look forward to, hearing him and the other folks that's going to be up there. It's going to be a great time. Got a bee there on my neck. Okay, so I'm going to dive into this hive and see what's going on, see if it has any food storage. Yeah, about out of the sugar. Kind of windy as well. But that sun is definitely trying to come out, so. Nah, I still got plenty of honey there. Get on in here. Yeah, still plenty of honey on top. So their food storage is actually really good. Nice, very nice frame of honey there. I go put my gloves on. They want to fly around and be a little defensive or protective today. Not very much eaten out of that. Still full. Other side, yeah, it's still full. With this box being 95% full of honey, my question at this point is, what would be the reason for the bees to bypass all this honey and just eat the sugar first? Let me know your opinions in the comments below. Let's go ahead and move on to the bottom box. I want to get down here and see how much that queen's laying, what's going on. Plenty of food up on top. Yeah, a little bit of honey in that corner there. Don't see any eggs. Kind of looks like they're just finishing up their fruit stores that they might have had down below. They're just now starting to move up to that top. A little bit of brood there. I don't see any eggs. This hive has a good amount of honey and also a good amount of room for the queen to lay in. I'm a little worried not seeing any eggs or larvae, but with it being so cloudy, it could have been I just overlooked the eggs. I do think that I need to add a small flashlight to my bee yard toolkit. That'll make spotting those eggs on cloudy days much easier. Okay, well there's that one that I really wanted to get into. Still have plenty of honey. Not seen any eggs yet. Here we look at Italians. Last time we looked in here, wasn't too much happening up on top. Still not. But let's get on down here to the second box and see what that queen's doing. Okay, gonna get down in here. Italians. Let's see what's going on. Still a frame of honey. And there's the queen. See her marked. She's still in there. Not seeing any type of eggs in here either just yet. Kind of a small cluster. Looks like they got all kinds of pollen stored up in there though. I see some larvae. So just kind of a very small cluster. Haven't really started ramping up just yet. Pretty much the same with this hive as the other hive we just looked at. Top box completely full of honey, and down below there's plenty of room for the queen to lay. I did see some larvae in this one, and a very small patch of brood. Although there are a ton of pollen in some of those frames. Taking a look at these two hives side by side, you can definitely tell the difference between the two types of honeybees. The one has a much larger cluster of overwintered bees compared to the Italians here, a small cluster of bees that overwinters. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.